Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to continue the question answers of the poem Tartary. Okay, we have done some questions. We have written some questions like question number 6 we have completed. Complete the following phrases with the help of the poem. We have completed this. See, question number 6 we have completed. Complete the following phrases with the help of the poem. Okay. We are doing now question number 7. Question number 6 is C. Music. How is the music? Sweet and gay music. Okay, we have written. Second one, river. River is silver pale river. Okay. Third one is breeze. Scented breeze. Scented breeze. We have written this. Fourth one is lake. Trembling lake. Trembling lake. And fifth one is bird delighting citron trees. We have written up to this. Now, write about the daily routine of the Lord of Tartary in 8 to 10 lines. This essay type we have to write, 8 to 10 lines. What daily routine of Lord of Tartary? So question number 7. Everybody write down question number 7. Write about the daily routine of the about the daily routine of the Lord of Tartary in 8-10 lines. Lord of Tartary in 8 to 10 lines. In 8 to 10 lines. This is the question. Read down question, everyone. Here I am writing answer. The Lord of Tartary would get. Lord of Tartary. The Lord of Tartary would get up early in the morning. Stop. He would wear a dress of green. He would wear a dress of green, white and gold beads. Stop. These beads would be placed very close to each other. Beads are these beads are placed. These beads are placed very close to each other. Very, very close to each other. Each other. Very close to each other, just like seeds. Just like seeds. Okay, just like seeds, they are placed very close to each other. And before the waning of the morning, and before the waning of the morning, waning of the morning, Star, he would wear his robe. Star, he would wear his robe. Wear his robe. Take his sword. Take his sword. His sword. Uski talwar. Okay, sword. And then go out in the valley. And then go out in the valley. In the valley, in his carriage, in his carriage. In his carriage. Okay. In his carriage. Drawn by 7 zebras. Drawn by 7 zebras. 7 zebras. Drawn by 7 zebras. Stop. Drawn by 7 zebras. At meal time, be summoned by trumpeters. At meal time. At meal time. Summoned by trumpeters. Summoned by trumpeters. Okay. In the evening, he would enjoy the shining lamps. In the evening, he would enjoy the shining lamps. Enjoy the shining lamps. shining lamps, and sweet music played by musicians. And sweet music played by musicians. Okay, this is the answer of question number 8. Okay, 7, sorry. Write about the daily routine of Lord of Tartary. Okay, so this is the daily routine of Lord of Tartary. Okay, right. Question number 7. Complete up to question number 7. Okay. Yes. We will stop here. Write down up to question number 7. Question number 8, 9, we are going to discuss in the next period. Okay. Only question number 8 and 9 is remaining. So we will discuss it in the next period. And your homework, listen carefully. Your homework is you have to learn this question. Recite the poem, find out the rhyming words of the poem, and learn up to question number 7. Okay. So here we will stop. Okay. Bye.